Now, accordingly, step number one would be deciding on the length of the arms of the other divider. In our case, we are taking 7 inches as the length. This you can see is the 7 inches. We are taking 7 inches as the length. So what you do is, first of all, somewhere at the bottom of the page or close to the bottom of the page, you draw a vertical line and a horizontal line. This horizontal line is the bigger arm of the divider, proportional divider. And since we want to keep the ratio of 1:3, our ratio that we want to keep is 1:3, which means that whatever we are observing, it will be reduced by 1/3 or it will be enlarged 3 times, whichever way you are holding the divider. So as a first step, we start with measuring, and we say that, okay, we take this 9 centimeter and this will be definitely 3 centimeters because our ratio is 1:3. So 9 centimeter means that 4.5 centimeter on each side. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4.5. 4.5 on this side and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4.5 on this side. So these are the 2 marks here. And now we said that we are going to have the length as 7 inches. Length is 7 inches. So what you do is, we are saying that you call this point A, point B, and so on. This we are calling point A, and this we are calling point B. And we are going to draw an arc from this point B, and this is 7 inches, remember. And similarly from point A, we are going to draw an arc 7 inches distance. We are calling this point C. This was A, this is B, and this one is C. Now, since this is 9 centimeters, so if it is 1:3 ratio, then this will be 3 centimeters. So what you have to do is, you have to take 1.5 centimeters on each side. So at point C, we cut this line that we had drawn, so that this distance is 1.3, and then we call it E and F. These are the 2 points E and F. Now what you have to do is join B to E and join A to F. This is our proportional divider. So now our proportional divider is ready. As you can see that the wider arm is 9 centimeters and the smaller arm is 3 centimeters. And here is the point where you are going to drill a hole and put some nut and bolt arrangement so that you can, loosen it. When you are trying to measure, naturally you need to open or close the arms and you need to loosen this accordingly. And when you have set the dimension to whatever you are observing, then at that point you just screw it up so that it holds in place. But you have to be careful that you hold it very gently, handle it very gently. Otherwise, if it distorts, the dimensions distort, then naturally you are going to get a wrong reading. It's like this. If you are just changing or shifting this, the dimensions are going to vary. So you have to be careful so far as that thing is concerned. Now, what I have done is that I have colored this so that you can understand it even better. There's nothing new in this. First of all, we drew this and then we took a vertical line. This was a horizontal line. This was 15 centimeter wide. And then from this point, what you did was you took the compass and you measured 7 inch and you drew an arc. Similarly, from point B, you took the compass and you measured an arc, again 7 centimeter long, or 7 inch long. This one is also 7 inch long and this one is also 7 inch long. And where they bisect, from this point D, you take 2.5 centimeters from here and 2.5 centimeter from here. So where they bisect, you draw a line. And then I have just added this color and the width so you can understand, and plus the bolt here. So this is how proportionate divider is designed. And later on in the next video, we are going to make one and show you how it is done. For your information, I have developed another design on this butter paper, but the ratio I have changed. This is just to explain how the ratio can be changed. So you can see that this one is here and the red one is at the back, what we designed, which was based on 1:3 ratio. This one has its leg 4 centimeters apart, but the bigger legs are 8 centimeters apart. So this is like enlarging the dimension from 4 centimeter to 8 centimeter, or if you look from this angle, it is reducing from 8 centimeter to 4 centimeter. So the ratio is 1:2. However, the length I have kept the same. And you can see that if you remove this bolt, and there is a couple of holes on this, on both the legs. So if you change the location of the bolts from this hole to this hole, then the ratio changes, as you can see. that this ratio has changed and is now doubling the image instead of tripling the image, which was the red that we designed earlier. But if you design in a different manner based on 1:2 ratio, then your point will be here, and you have to remove this screw and place in this hole, and then unscrew, tighten this again. So now whatever dimensions you take, either from here, if it is 8 centimeter, it will become 4 centimeter. If it is 10 centimeter, it will become 5 centimeter. Similarly, if it is 2 centimeter here, it will become 4 centimeter. So this is 1:2 scale.